wow, that is low.
Yeah, I think that was like 23 or something.
Yes, sir. Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. What's in here, man?
Jorge, this is 8 12-inch Crossfire C5s, Crossfire 6K, wired at half ohm. I got an 80 amp hour prototype lithium bank, Brand X 390, and 3 8-inch concretes per door, concrete 357 per door, a 3K on the mids, and just a little 250.1 on the tweets.
Yes, sir. Wow. How did it do on the meter for you?
I did my subsonic at the end was a 151.8.
Okay.
I did a 56.8 after bonus.
Whoa.
Yeah. At 20, and then I did demo showdown. I did like a 150.4 in demo showdown.
Okay.
And then my all around was weird. I'm actually gonna go rerun that later.
Yeah.
Because I came out the gate clamping like 4,500, but I actually clamped like 6K.
6K.
Yeah. So it was weird.
Yes, sir. Can I see the back and the amp and all that too?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Woo.
Should be open.
Your door is, I don't know, it's taking a beat.
Oh yeah, that's the second door I put on there.
Uh-huh.
And it's already
Really? 26 hertz. And this is wired to Apple?
I put 8700 out there on work.
Yeah.
And I usually clamp about 6K, depending on what music I play.
Yeah. Wow. Very nice. You optimized your space on the box too. It's built into the trunk?
Yeah.
You did good.
Well, it was built for a teammate, Paul.
Yeah.
Okay. And then I ended up getting my hands on it. But
Yep.
yeah, it was built by Joe Walker, Southwest.
Yes, sir.
And,
Very nice.
yeah, I don't know if you know, but he passed away.
Yeah, man, I know. 2 years ago, yeah. Hey, thank you, man.
Yeah, no problem.
Yes,
Hey,
sir.
you don't want to hear that. I don't know if you have.
I think a year ago.
That's the subsonic product.
What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Vile. I hope you enjoyed that full walk around we got of George's system at the Slamfest audio show near Tampa, Florida area. Pretty impressive to see him have 4 subs mounted regular and 4 inverted in a car. Really extreme fab work. Shout out to Joel Walker, did a good job. And the floating amp rack layout style, fitting all the electrical in the trunk, really smart to be able to have. That way you don't have to worry about vibration issues. And big lithium bank supplying to this system. So really impressed. You're going to see how loud 6,000 watts can get in an efficient box with a good amount of cone area. So you got to stay tuned for a good 4-minute demo. And that outside door flex my wife was getting while I was getting a demo seemed like it was really breaking apart. You could actually see some of the panels falling off. And you can see by this triangular port is a good extreme fab work style. So kind of unique. Can't really justify exact tuning, but I think he did tell me it was playing down in the 20 hertz range when he did his subsonic run. So being a 6th order, there is that rear port too in the back behind those inverted subs you can see. So there is a bottom chamber, not sealed 4th order, but a 6th order. So a total of 6,000 watts on 8 12-inch subs. I think he said he clamped 8K on a burp, so because he is wired down at half ohm and a really efficient amplifier. So welcome to my channel, Jacob Vile. Subscribe for daily videos and enjoy the demo. Wow. Yeah, man, I love to hear it. Looks good.
Built by Joel Walker.
Okay.
public.
Hey, bass makes you sneeze when you're loud. Thank you for the demo. Wow, that is low.
Yeah, I think that was like 23 or something.
Yes, sir. Man, thank you for the demo. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you, channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you, everybody, for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.